it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday night. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Fall has arrived. I'm burning Kringle Candle Radiant Apple. That's a good one. New Fall Reserve. I'm going to review Ivory Cashmere tonight, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about this 6-series book set that I created. A lot of people have been asking me about these, so I thought I would kind of go through each one and explain the difference. And oh my gosh, you guys, did you see on Instagram, Barry Williams, Greg Brady starting to go all out for Dancing with the Stars? So I've been sharing all of his content. I'm hoping he notices and starts following me. Please, Barry, follow me on Instagram. I think we should have a team Barry party. Tuesday, Dancing with the Stars starts. I can't wait to see Barry. So that's so much fun. So, about a year ago, I started talking about scent journals because I thought it'd be a great way for people to record all of their favorite scents. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to create a book for everyone. So these are actually on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below. But they're super simple. Got my picture on the back. So the first one I did, the first 3 in the series actually are all about seasons. So for example, it starts with summer. And then what you can do is just record your favorite scents. Sparkling Orange Spritz, Poolside Cabana, Gourmand and Sweet. And then it basically is the same thing repeated. We've got Woodsy for summer, Fruity. And then it switches to fall. And then we go into Halloween. And then I've got Christmas. And then I've got, tropical, winter and tropical, because tropical is kind of its own season. And then we move to Easter, spring, and then we have, wish list. So what I like about this is it doesn't matter what time of year you buy this, you can create your own seasonal scent journal. They can be scents that you love. It doesn't matter what brand. They can be scents you love or scents you want to buy. So then what I did was I created a planner, which is a little bit different. So the planner is kind of the same thing. Each season is represented, favorite spring scents. I've got each month. And then what I've done is I put a calendar in. And what's nice about the calendar is that you can put the company and then sales. So it's kind of neat. Year to year, you could put Bath and Body Works, all the different sales, how much you paid for something. There's a lot of ways to use the calendar, but I've got basically a calendar for each month and multiple pages. And then October, we've got the favorite scents like Hello Winter, each one, it goes all the way through. So anyway, again, all the months are represented. There's a little calendar. You can actually, start in any month, which I like that because it's easy. Then I did another, this is my 3rd seasonal book. I did a candle inventory book. So basically what I did is I have created, and this is kind of neat, by each season, name of candle, throw rank. And what I've done is I've created check it out, a candle throw chart here. I've got strongest candle ever, almost the strongest candle ever, really, really, really good, above average, very nice, just average, still worth buying, light but bright is number 5, below average, low, low, low throw, stinks, and worst candle ever. So you can kind of create an idea here, we're in autumn Halloween. Put the name of the candle, any company, like I said, name of candle, you can put the company there, the rank, and any notes. So I've done this again, Thanksgiving, I've got Christmas, I've got winter, tropical, spring, Easter, and then Candle Day, because every candle company now is doing a Candle Day. So we have a place for Candle Day and then a place for wish list. So this is actually a pretty big book to put all of your candles. Then I did some A to Z books. A lot of people are asking me for A to Z books. So I've got a candle inventory book. If you prefer doing an A to Z and you don't like going through the seasons, so what I like about this is a lot of times year to year, different candle companies come out with different stuff. So, for example, Kringle Candle here, Radiant Apple, you could write that down under the letter R, name of candle. You could get multiple books and you could do one for different companies, however you want to do it. I've left it pretty flexible so that you can kind of fill out everything how you want. You know me and Halloween. I did one just for candles and body care for Halloween. I did a full-on Halloween book. Halloween candles. I've done body care, Halloween hand soap, home decor, and then you can put your favorite spooky scents, pumpkin scents, candy scents, fruity scents, all of your different Halloween scents. Got me in the back here in my Halloween costume. So I wanted to do, like I said, a Halloween book. And then I just recently, this is my latest one that I've done. And it's funny because I accidentally did this in the matte cover, but I kind of like the cover in like the matte. I don't know, it feels kind of fun for fall. It's nice and soft. On the back, you got a little coffee thing going on. But what I've done for the fall one is it's very similar. It's a fall body care and candle inventory book. Again, fall candles, fall body care, hand soap. I mean, it basically has everything fall in here. So like I said, fall drink scents, you know how many boozy scents are out there now. I just wanted everyone to be able to create a little bit of their own magic in a journal, because I know a lot of people love journaling, so that's why I created these. I try to keep them really reasonably priced on Amazon. Amazon prices have gone up a lot, just the printing cost. But if you want to check out one of the books, they're a lot of fun. If you have a book, head over to Amazon and leave a review. I love hearing what people say. If you have any, constructive criticism for me, I'm happy to hear it. Or if you have an idea for another book, leave it below, because these are really fun. I enjoy doing them, and it's a nice way to organize all of your collection. So I got those. Now we're going to talk about a fall scent, Ivory Cashmere. Check it out. This one is not my favorite scent. A lot of people love it though, so I like to review this one. It is Fresh Lakeside Air, Silver Musk, and White Amber. And it's a really, really nice outdoorsy scent for fall. It's got a bite to it. It feels like, almost like, to me, it's funny because I get two things from this one. I get a little bit of like a cozy cashmere sweater, but it also has kind of like an outdoor bite to it, which is interesting. I think it could be either one. It's very strong, very strong. It could be a unisex scent too, which I love. And I don't know, it just is, I feel like this scent is a lot of different things to different people. Like I said, I kind of get cozy and I kind of get outdoors. It's a little bit too much of a sharp bite for me. You know me, I like my food. I like Bonfire Bash. I like scents like that. What I like about it is it's got a little bit of almost like a winter vibe. I wish it had a little bit more pine in it. It has like, I don't know what the heck, silver... What is it? Fresh Lakeside Air, Silver Musk. I don't know. It's got an almost, it wants to be pine tree, but it's not. Like, I wish it had pine in it. Then I would probably love it. It's not pine. There's no pine tree in here. I think I'm just wishing that if there was a thread of pine in here, I would be like all over this scent. I think it would be really cool. You know me, I love my cinnamon scents too. Where's Pumpkin Apple, by the way? I gotta say, I'm missing that they don't even have the mini this year in Pumpkin Apple. Luckily, I have a lot of those. Shower gel. It's okay. I mean, I would totally use this. I'm not, this isn't a horrible scent for me. It's just not my scent. But again, a lot of people are loving this one. If you love Ivory Cashmere, leave a note below. That way people can read the comments. Give Ivory Cashmere some love. Because you know me, I'm going to be spraying all of the other stuff in this collection. By the way, I do like the bottles this year. Where's my... I got everything all over the place, you guys. I love the leaves on the bottle. I gotta say, the leaves on the bottle was a total win. I like this one better than Together Weather, though, I'll have to say, that one just did not do anything for me. Where's my Together Weather? Is that sitting here? Oh my gosh. Oh, look what I got sitting here. Enchanted Candy Potion. Now, this is a scent I'm on board with. I had one of these left over. Oh, yeah. Bring on the sugar. Anyway, let me know what you think of this one. Still doing the 40% off today. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.